Okay, welcome back. This is the 90-degree bracket. You can see it here. This is an asymmetrical bracket. You can see it's got a U shape here, and then on this side it has the wedge-shaped flanges here. It's got 4 holes. They each need a screw in them, and this bracket is used for connecting any of the joist or bearer profiles together on any profile that has a side channel. So I'll talk a bit more about this. Let's just see what's in the box. 10 brackets in the box. We've got the screws that come with it, which is a H16 screw. So it is a 16mm long screw. It's a hex head and it's a 3/8 driver. So in here we've got, as you can see, they're a black screw, powder coated, and they've got a rubber washer on them, so they bed in really nicely into the aluminium, and there's self-drilling tip on that screw. So let's talk about how you use the 90 bracket. There's 2 ways that you can use it. The first way is where you slide the bracket in using its flanges this way, one from this side, rotate it over. Now you can just push your other member into here. You can then pull these brackets into here. This gives you a little bit of adjustability, so if you wanted to slide this along, you're able to do that. So generally you might screw this one off now, and then once you've got this into place, you'll screw these ones off here. The second way to do it, which is the recommended way to do it, is actually you put the brackets in the other way, where you put the brackets in like so. So this is your joist and this is your boundary joist. I haven't put the bracket right out. I've put the bracket ever so slightly in by about a couple of mils. So what that does is that it means that when you then fasten this bracket into this joist, it really clamps it and it pulls this joist in tight into this one here. So on this particular profile, we're going to put one in this channel, and then we're going to put one on the other side in the bottom channel, like so. So it would look like that. Now, the reason why we recommend it this way is because if you want to put this bracket in, it's actually really easy to roll your joist over. You get your screw, you put your bracket into the right place of where you want to get it right here. Then you get your 16mm hex screw and you put it into the driver that's provided. And you see there's a center line in the aluminium here. That's where you want to line up your screw with the line on the aluminium. I get my screw and my bracket in the right place. Put a bit of pressure on it. Perfect. Next one. Great. So those are in there. Then I'll do the other side. So now you can see when I push this into here, the bracket's ever so slightly proud. And so why you want that is so that when you then screw this bracket into there, it really pulls that joist tight into there.